First, we are going to eliminate parentheses. So we have to copy integral, and we have 5 times x is 5x. 5 times -1 is -5. And we have integral with respect to x. When we have integral of difference, we can rewrite this to difference of integrals. So we will have integral of 5x with respect to x minus integral of 5 with respect to x. Now we have to find two integrals. Because we have constant, we can take this constant before integral symbol. So this is equal 5 times integral of x with respect to x minus 5 times integral of 1 dx. First, we need to use integral of power function formula. Let me remind you, when we have integral of x to power n with respect to x, this is equal, in numerator we have x to power n plus 1, in denominator we have n plus 1. And because we have indefinite integral, we have to add constant c, and of course n must be different than -1. In first integral we have x to first power. When we don't have exponent, in always invisible 1. N is equal 1. So we have to copy 5, and now we have to substitute to this formula n equals 1. So we have x to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus constant c minus, we have to copy 5. Now we have integral of 1 with respect to x. It means you have to ask yourself, whose derivative is 1? Derivative of x is 1. So we have x, and we have to always add constant. Because we have constant c, now I can put c1. So this is equal, we have 5 times x squared over 2. Next, I can put -5x. And because we have two constant c and constant c1, we can write that we have constant. I can write 2. So we can rewrite this. We have 5 over 2x squared minus 5x plus constant 2. This is my solution.